This 2026 Keystone Alpine Avalanche Edition 390DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Edinburgh, Indiana, 46124 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a lodge interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.